Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the brother printer issue where it shows data remaining in memory. First, go to your printer and use the cancel button. Press and hold the stop or exit button, or the go button depending on your model, for about 4 to 5 seconds. You will notice the ready or error light start flashing. This means the printer is clearing the stored data from its memory. Wait a few seconds and check if the message disappears. If the issue is still there, try a power cycle. Turn off the printer using the power button. Then unplug it from the wall outlet. Leave it unplugged for at least 15 seconds. This helps clear temporary memory inside the printer. After that, plug it back in and turn it on again. Now move to your computer and clear the print queue. Press the Windows key and the I key together to open Settings. Go to Bluetooth and Devices, then click on Printers and Scanners. Select your brother printer from the list and click on Open Print Queue. A new window will appear. If you are using Windows 11, click the 3 dots in the top right corner and select Cancel All. If you are using Windows 10, click on the Printer tab at the top and choose Cancel All Documents. This will remove any stuck print jobs. On a Mac, open System Settings and go to Printers and Scanners. Select your printer and click Open Print Queue. Delete all pending jobs. If the problem continues, reset the print system. On Mac, go to Printers and Scanners, right-click in the printer list, and select Reset. On Windows, open Command Prompt and type netstop spooler, then press Enter. After that, type this command exactly as it is and press Enter. Wait a few minutes, then type netstart spooler and press Enter. This should fix the issue. Thanks for watching.